How you doing? Nice to meet you. Can I give you a hug?
Oh, maybe later.
I can't give you a hug now.
I don't really want the video or
You don't
anything.
want a video, but
yeah.
you're taking a video though. You're literally aiming it at us like the whole time.
I don't want a picture from you guys.
I know. We just.
But I don't know why you guys grab me.
All right. Well, the thing that you're doing right now.
But please don't grab me. The best budget hotel for modern travelers here at the heart of the Strip. This used to be Flamingo Capri in 1971, and then Caesars got it as Imperial Palace, changed it to Quad for 2 years until this promenade was made, and to match it, they renamed it the LINQ. And that renovation in 2014 cost $223 million. Today, we will attempt to check in at 9 a.m. and then eat some delicious lunch along this promenade, do a room tour, check out the pool, explore the hotel and casino, bet $100 here at the LINQ Hotel and decide whether we're gonna have dinner or we're gonna drink our sorrows away. I got dropped off at the back of the LINQ. The pickup situation at the Uber area is not good right now. It's wet on the floor and I don't want my shoes getting wet there. It's 8 a.m. in the morning right now and I could feel the energy. This place is packed. I don't think I can check in this early. Let's see what they have to say. Got here the registration, and on the other side is the express check-in.
We were sold out, yes.
Wow.
No rooms ready till after 10:30, 11 this morning.
Okay.
Okay, the bellman straight ahead past that pillar.
Okay.
They can hold your luggage for you.
I'm at the second floor right now. It's a hidden spot here at the LINQ Hotel. It's just 9:30 in the morning. So they told me it's $50 to check in right now, and you're not gonna be able to get a room because it was hella full last night and it won't be ready till like 10:30, 11. I didn't want to pay the $50. I asked if I could check in around 2 p.m. and they said if I check in at 2 p.m. it's gonna be $30. It's not my first time to stay at Caesars. I didn't experience that last time. I guess this is how it is right now, especially at the LINQ because it's a busy hotel. Boy, it's really dusty. I'm here at LINQ Promenade right now and I'm getting super hungry. There's a bunch of choices here. I still don't know what to get, so I'm gonna do a quick roundabout on what to get for lunch. Take note, my room is still not ready. I also tried checking in at 12:30 p.m. and they said I still have to pay $50. I ain't paying $50. Okay, I know what to get here at the LINQ Promenade. It's a classic.
I always recommend tartar and sriracha.
Gotcha. We're here. Yeah. Shoo. It's not showing at all. They're not shy. We are trying now this Gordon Ramsay fish and chips. The total of this meal is $30. I know, right? Well, this meal is $20 something for the fish and chips, regular natural sea salt. Soda is $6 plus tax plus tip. So it's like $30 something. But it's okay. I think when you're in Vegas, you don't think that much. And actually, I've been spending $30 for lunch every time I come here. I'm expecting it to be that price since we are here at the middle of the Strip. Look at this fish. You could see it like, it's very thick, very quality. Delicious. Look at this price, it's so natural. Naturally cooked in oil. I just like the classic natural sea salt. They do just give one lemon. I think you need more of this because it tastes really good with lemon. But I am so lazy to get back in. Do they have fork? Nope, everyone's eating by their hands. We're good. It's time to get this $6 drink. Look at this, it's so small. It's like the size of a small Diet Coke. in Mickey's that would cost me $2. We still have a lot of things to do even though we're waiting for our room to get ready. I'm so excited for that room, but also so nervous because I booked the cheapest room and I'm not talking to anybody to see where my room is at, and I just don't know what room I'm gonna get. What is that cheapest room? It's 2 p.m. right now, so we have like an hour and a half to kill. And also, I really want to go around and see what it is here at the LINQ. Every day I try to do 10,000 steps, and for today I only have 6,000 steps. I need to do more.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now.
Is there a discount if you're staying at the LINQ?
I don't think so.
Okay, it's the same for everybody.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I think this place is also good at night. It's such a beautiful venue. You have your restaurants, bars, a lot of entertainment, and you have the biggest observation wheel right there in the world. Isn't that amazing? By the way, this LINQ promenade is inspired by the Grove and the third promenade in Los Angeles, and also the meatpacking district in Manhattan. This ice bar right behind me is actually the biggest ice bar in the world. Why are you shirtless? Why not? I don't know what's going on. There's a monk and there's some naked people around here. I'm confused. We are really at the heart of Las Vegas Strip. The Cosmopolitan there, and also the Bellagio and Caesars. It's busy at this. Sorry. Folks, there's a bunch of stuff here. There's some girls. There's King Kong right there. And there's Transformers. There's also a Spider-Man and a knight. I'm so confused. Holy smokes, that is crazy. No, I'm okay. What are you doing? Okay. Oh my God. I'm good. Thank you so much, though.
You're more than good.
Oh my God.
Come on in. Come join us. You are perfect. You are more than good.
I don't know why this guy just grabbed me, but
Are we live right now?
no, we're not. But can I go?
Hey, look at the big camera, Las Vegas.
I'm okay.
Let's party. Jeez, this is the way. Let's go.
Okay.
You can put your arm over our shoulder.
I'm actually okay.
I know. I'm trying to talk to you.
Yeah.
Can I talk to you?
Yeah.
People usually tip us when they're videoing.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah, you guys came to me. I didn't want
I know
to.
you're holding your camera.
I know.
I know.
But
This is how we make a living.
I understand that.
So if you can just put down the camera when you're not. You
Yeah.
know, if you're not gonna tip
But
us,
you guys
we-
grabbed me.
Nobody grabbed you. Nobody
I
grabbed you.
think
No, no.
I have the video that you
All right,
grabbed
all
me.
right, all right. Nobody-
I said I don't want it, but you guys
I know,
grabbed
you're
me.
still holding up your camera.
Yeah,
No,
because
you're still
now I'm proving myself
You're-
that
you're
you
still-
said
you're still
something.
doing it. You know, you're still
Are
holding up
you
your
gonna
camera.
talk to me forever?
You can walk away.
I
but you're
would
not
walk
walking
away right now.
You can walk away, but you're not walking away. You're still talking. Can you walk away now? Can you?
I'm supposed to. I wanted to walk away a long time. Bye. Bye. Have a good one. I think they're very aggressive. I didn't ask for it. What do you think? I think that was not nice at all.
Say no.
Okay.
Because like I said, if you kind of go nervous, like, no. But they think you like it. They grab your phone and they take pictures and then they want to charge you for it.
I just realized by the time they were grabbing me, and there's just a lot of them, they could be getting my stuff from my pocket. But I checked, like, everything's complete. As of now, I haven't lost anything. So I hope that doesn't happen again. I don't want to grab by a lot of guys. That was hostile. Here you can enter off the strip, Oshas, how do you say that? And Chayo, Mexican. Hash hash go go. Okay, let's try it. Walk this way. Wait, you're a brunch place?
Yeah.
Ah,
They have dinner Friday and Saturday. They're open for dinner.
vending machine for pizza. Hello. Actually 60 degrees right now at 10 a.m. But wow, it feels really fine. I thought I'll be really cold. Whoa, it's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice over here. I love it. The staff are great. The crowd is great. It's a good party. It's past 3:30 p.m. right now. It's time to check in. I'm not expecting anything because I did get the cheapest room and that was $30, I think, plus $50 for the resort fee, which I paid a while ago at the check-in kiosk. Checking in is horrendous. This one's just going around forever. And while everyone's trying to figure things out, I don't know if I want to do that again, but we'll see. Maybe my experience will be better. So far today, it was crazy. Are you ready to see our room? Let's go in. Hello, and this is our room. There's a walkway over here, and this is actually a full-length mirror and also the restroom door. Okay. Oh, where's the light? I don't know where the light. Okay, the lights are here. Mirror right here. It's a lit one. Is it bright enough to see yourself? Yes, it is. And you have a modern faucet right here. This is your hand wash and lotion. You have this makeup mirror that makes you bigger. I love it. Do you have assorted towel or just this? We'll see. There is a sorted towel right there. Small, but just enough. The water pressure is good. The shampoo smells really good, but it takes gazillion to make it bubble. Conditioner, actually no scent. Very light. I love it. But I didn't really like the body wash because I didn't like how it felt on my skin. I felt dry after it. So maybe bring your body wash, or if you don't care, also the soap. The soap is kind of still sticky. I don't know if I ordered a king or a 2. I forget, but this is what I have. I'm not complaining. I mean, I'm just here overnight. Right here, you can see this is a table that is continuous to the TV. And you have your lamp over here, which is easy to turn on. Yep, that's good. And yeah, you have this. It's actually a modern design. Just turn it on and you have the 3-prong and then nothing. The 3-prong, and I don't know what these are. If you need a USB, this is it. In the center, you have a big lamp right here, which works. You have 3-prong, no USB. Right beside the bed is your cabinet right here. I already prepared my clothes. This is my luggage, and they have a luggage rack, so I'm gonna put my bag there later. They have drawers. They have a locker, and this is the mini fridge. There's nothing in there. Now we're here to test the bed and see if it's good. Okay, it's not a good, I don't like this bed. I don't think I can stay here forever, but I can sleep here tonight and I'm a good sleeper. And the pillows, well, they're not that bad actually. I like it. I like this pillow. There is a bit of a scent that I don't like. I don't like the material of this one, but again, this is a budget hotel, so you shouldn't complain. You know what you're getting into. It's not bad for $30, $80 in total in the heart of the strip. AC is here. I don't know if it's gonna be loud. You can hear the sound. If you're sensitive, do not stay in this room because you hear the sound of the AC and also the sound outside. Yes, there's a ongoing band right now. It's not as loud as I entered this room, but it was really loud a while ago. I guess we were privileged to have the view of the strip right in front of Caesars. The sun is blazing though. It's not really the view, but it's still fun. You can see the strip. You can still hear the sounds. And man, these windows are so dirty. It's 4:30 p.m. right now, and I made plans to do the helicopter night flight here in Las Vegas. I'm very excited. So if you want to see that video, you have to subscribe. But we will come back to play the casino. Stopping. Texas tea right here. Oh my gosh. Come on, Buffalo. $92. Let's go. I don't know, this thing is just not working. Ah! This is our dinner, or we will go home drunk. Start feature right now. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, give me something. Who's having buffalo tonight? I didn't really win, but man, Guy Fieri has been looking at me all night. Worth it. Before I check out, I just want to talk to you what I think about the LINQ Hotel and my honest experience and review of this place. I think if you're staying here, you have to go and be game and go with the flow. If you have the upbeat characteristics and you want to be social and you have this extrovert vibe going on, yes, this is the place for you. I think this is a great location. You're right at the promenade. There's so many things going on, and you should know your cons that this is not a luxury hotel. I'm in Vegas and I'm gonna have a blast and not think of anything. The staff is great and friendly here. The room is meh, but you know what you're getting into. You just need a room to stay at night. Well, this is it. But as I'm telling you, there's gonna be a loud sound going on all throughout the night. But if you're here sleeping like 4, 5, 6 in the morning, then waking up later, I think this is not bad because I still don't hear sounds coming from the outside, and it's like 10 and almost 11 a.m. for my checkout. But if you're fancy and you want to stay at the heart of the strip of Las Vegas, I have the perfect place for you. This is the Bellagio. It's amazing and one of my favorite hotels. Watch this video right now. See you later, and off I go.